Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a group on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Play Store and update Snapchat application. Once you've done that, you simply need to click on Open, and then you need to click on the message icon, and then you need to click on the New, and then you need to click on New Group, and then you need name your group. So I'm going to name How to Solve. Once you've done that, you simply need to add people in your group. So I'm going to add up to 100 people, and then you need to click on chat with group. Once you click on chat with group, your group is created and you can simply chat with your friends in the group. So by following these steps, you can easily make a group on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.